A very good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to learn few words of is sound. So just get ready with your copy, pencil and eraser. Here we go. The first word that we are going to write is itself. Okay. So we are going to write down the spelling of is. I-S. Is. And how we are going to pronounce it? Yes, is. Okay. The second word is H-I-S. His. His voice के लिए use होता है. Okay. And how we are going to pronounce it? Is. His. Now the next M-I-S-S. Miss. मिस किसके लिए यूज होता है? फीमेल्स के लिए. Alright. So we are going to pronounce it like is. Miss. K-I-S-S. Kiss. How we are going to pronounce it? K-is. Kiss. Now after the word kiss, we are going to write down the last word, that is T-H-I-S. This. And how we are going to pronounce it? The is. This. Now quickly we are going to revise it one more time. Is. His. Is. Miss. Is. Kiss. The is. This. So we have done our is sound words. So you have to do all these words in your copy. Learn the spelling and pronounce the words as well. Alright. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Bye bye.